Okay, number 10. This time I am supposed to keep going until I actually get the answer. All right, so I know what's going to go across the top. I'm going to need a 1 and a -2, a -3, and a 6. And I could just keep trying numbers until I get to 1. Or I could put the whole thing in my calculator. Again, there's probably way too much glare on that, but it looks kind of like this. It sort of comes up here somewhere, which may or may not be 2, or -2, and it sort of comes in here somewhere, which may or may not be +2. Anyway, 2 looks like a good start. Okay, in fact, that's not -2, and this crosses shy of +2, and then it goes back up through +2, but I don't know that part. I'm just looking at it. It looks kind of 2-ish. So I'm just going to put 2 in the box. I could have started by putting 1 and -1. I'd have got there eventually, but if I use my calculator to skip to the answer, it really helps. Bring down a 1, times the box, and times the box is going to be 0. Multiply times the box. Okay, good guess, because 2 worked. So I've got this is 1 power less, so now this is x squared, nothing there, -3, times the factor that actually worked, which was x -2. Has to be that because it's the opposite goes in the box. So I just broke this thing down into this, and they want answers. Okay, I know what I get when I do this. X -2 equals 0, x equals 2. That's one of my answers. What if I set this equal to 0? X squared -3 equals 0. X squared equals 3. X equals plus or minus the square root of 3. And that's the answer, which is why I couldn't really see those on my graph. This is like positive and negative, like 1.7 something. Okay, which is why I'd have never guessed those. I'd have never thought to put -1.7 something in there. And it probably wouldn't have worked anyway, because it wouldn't come out exactly even. Okay, so I was never going to get that one on my own. I was always going to have to just take the square root to find out what it was. So those are my answers. The answers to what x's solve this problem are 2, positive square root of 3, and negative square root of 3.